gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making videos and creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles click. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life changing game. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life changing game. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I'm running everything, the future's looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, market got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Futures spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending tandies. Tandies, in the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandies, everybody chasing tandies. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single.
Sorry. Morning, guys. Hello. Really nice reaction here on NQ. Okay. We had a great price action the past few days. Hopefully we have another day with good price action. Also, okay, so if NQ can break this little 240, 239, 240 level, I would say 240, we can have a big move to the upside. Yeah, I will say 240. If you can break 240, it's the move that I'm expecting here. Yep. So far it's reacting there. And we open on a gap up. So if we see a clear reaction here, we might go lower to either Friday highs, yesterday highs, or go all the way down to fill the gap. We'll see. So we have a few scenarios for today. So far, it looks like a beautiful reaction. Okay. Yeah, it looks like a solid rejection play. We have a big gap below. On the overall price action, it's to the downside, but we have a couple of days going lower and lower, so we could see a bounce day, maybe. But again, for me, it's gonna be, can we break this 240 level, 240 to 50 level? If that level acts as support, I'm expecting a green day for today. Video's holding pretty nice so far. Same thing with SMH. Needs to break 582. So tech is strong today, or at least ES is weaker than NQ today. I'm good with my coffee so far. We'll see how the day goes. Hopefully we have another great day like yesterday. Yesterday was awesome. Didn't take I only made that trade that you guys saw here with one live account. This one I did not copy trade, so I only made a little bit under 2K yesterday. And I passed some evals. I passed some evals with this move here to the downside yesterday in the afternoon. Guys, like the video, help me with that. Remember to like the video here. We don't have data today, but today we do have, well, after the market close, we have, is that earning? Oh no, it's tomorrow. Tomorrow after close, we have Google and Tesla. And we have on Thursday Intel. Intel, it's gonna move the market because of the government relationship with Intel. So that's gonna be a big one. Oh, by the way, Apex, the $49 for the 50K intraday drawdown account ends tonight. So we keep reacting this level, but the market's not doing anything. Not much is happening so far, but that was a beautiful reaction of pre-market highs or overnight highs on ES. Yeah, that promo, it's 90% off on all the other accounts and only $49 for the 50K intraday no fee account, no funded fee account. So you pay $49 for the eval, and then when you pass that eval, you don't pay anything for the funded account. I don't like this fee. I think it's too early to say that. So far, it's very clean, especially ES. ES is showing a clear weakness today. Yeah. So far, it's pretty clean. Yes. Yes, it's been moving in. Look at this range. today is gonna be the third day inside this range here. Three days doing nada. Um, $130 for activation fee? Why? They have no activation fee, TPT. 9K, so you're using the 150K accounts? Yeah, they have no activation fee. You're gonna see they had this promo forever, like 40% off on the eval and no activation fee. So when you go to no, it's not a code. You're gonna have it as credit. Let's see if I can show. I don't think I can show you that. Oh yeah, I can show you here. So here it looks like I'm gonna buy one, right? So when you are gonna activate your eval, after you pass that eval, you're gonna have you're gonna have however, like the $130 for the activation fee. So it's gonna be here in wallet. So you click that, then you go next, and you are gonna have your account. So you're gonna have it as credit here in your wallet. If you don't have it, just chat with them here and ask them. But I remember the first time I used TPT, I was so confused with that because they put it as credit. Okay, let's see if ES is gonna lose his little support here. This is the middle of the channel for ES. Yeah, so NQ so far is not doing much. nothing's happening, to be honest. Like, we have ES right in the middle of the range, right? We have this big range that ES it's been moving for 3 days now. It's right in the middle of it. And we have NQ moving on a very small range also. I kind of would like to see it like breaking out here, because that would be an easy trade. If you lose this support and it just keep going lower, that will continue the downside that he has for the past few days. So if it goes lower, that will be cleaner. But I think the easier trade, it will be this breakout here. So yeah, I think we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen here. We're gonna have green day, or the market's just gonna keep setting off. Maybe. I'm watching this little support here on ES. Yeah, SPY and QQQ both are reacting the VWAP, but the VWAP is doing nothing today because so far it's flat. So it's not moving to the upside or the downside, it's flat. So that means we have no trend so far. I already made my YouTube channel in Spanish. I haven't posted any videos, but it's there. It's this one. I'm gonna start working in videos this week. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that for the rest of the month, and I'm gonna start posting next month. So yeah, if you speak Spanish, give me a follow there. Gracias, gracias. Nvidia is looking a little bit weak. SMH looks kinda like it wants to reject the VWAP, but so far everything is pretty much flat. So we don't have much going on here. So we need to wait, be patient. Not much going on here. Let's see, ink is gonna break down. Okay. Excuse me. And we keep holding. Not much going on. I don't hate the 150K. What's the drawdown and the price target? Has those accounts. Well, you said it's 9K, right? And what's the drawdown? 6K? Or something like that? $45? And you gotta make 9? Hell nah. So this is... Okay, so this is how you need to see... let me text here. So, for the 50K, your profit target, profit target is 3K, right? And your stop loss or drawdown is, I think it's 2,500. 2.5K, right? So that means you can risk 2.5 to get 3K, right? So it's basically you can risk 2.5 and 3K. So this is how I see it. You can risk you can risk 2.5 and this is 2, so it's something like this, right? That's your risk to reward here. For the 150K, your profit is 9K and your drawdown is 4.5. Your risk to reward 4.5, 9K. You can risk only this is your risk to reward here. You gotta make a lot more. So this is almost 50-50. This is, you have only 4.5K to make 9K. So that's how you need to see what are the best accounts. So the 50K accounts and the 25K accounts, the risk to reward or profit to drawdown is pretty much the same. Because the 25K account, you gotta make like 1,500, or it depends on the prop. Most of the time, you gotta make 1,500 and your drawdown is 1,000. The problem is 1,000. If you're trading NQ, even micros, it's not much. That's why I don't recommend the 25K. I recommend the 50K, but it's always the risk to reward. So basically, on this one, you don't have much to risk and you gotta make a lot of money. Like the profit is 9K. So here they're giving you 50%. So it's 1-to-1. You can risk 50% to make 9K. That's half. Here you have 1.5. So it's better. That's how you need to see the account size. How's the risk to reward? It's like a trade. Risk to reward. How much am I able to lose to make the profit to pass the evals? That's why I don't like the 50Ks. And then the other part is, doesn't matter what account you get, you always gotta look for three things always. Just say I'm using the 50K. So besides these two things, so you gotta make 3K here. You can only lose 1.5, right? Besides that, what else it's important on a funded account? When I'm gonna buy an eval, what I really look for is what are the rules on the funded accounts. So for me, the most important thing is the consistency rule, and I want to see 50% or 40%. What does that mean? If my profit is 3K and the consistency rule is 50K, so I cannot have a day that it's bigger than 1.5. So those are the three main rules. I don't care if I can pull out my money daily in 3 days or 5 days. All I care is how difficult they make it for me to pull out that money. And the profit, it's one thing that they have in favor. The other thing is the drawdown, and the most important thing here on funded accounts are the consistency rule. So that's why you see the straight to funded accounts with 20% consistency rule. Because yeah, you can pay for a straight to funded account, but they make it difficult for you with a 20% consistency rule. Why you said that? Is the stream lagging for you guys? I don't see any problem here. So now we have NQ a little bit weaker than ES. ES just keeps holding here. I think the problem is your end, Gregory. I don't have any problem on the stream right now. Okay, I like this breakdown here. I want to see a clean breakdown. I don't want to see a long wick at the bottom. This price action is so slow. Let's see if we can have a little bounce here because I want to add more contracts. Yeah, these price acting so slow. I don't want to see it breaking previous candles highs. Like, I don't like these. I don't like how ES is holding so strong. We'll see if NQ breaks these higher highs here. So far, it looks like it's gonna do it. Okay, that's a better reaction. Okay. I really want to see a lower low here. Oy, oy, oy. And we have continuation to the downside today. I don't know. I don't love these. I don't like how much we're fighting here, and that's this 115. $115 level. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna. Let's just say it doesn't look too bearish, to be honest. Yeah, I got stop out there. Yeah, that's low, BA. No bueno. If ES can break out here, I like it. Most likely I'm gonna take that. If we just keep like moving inside this very small range, I'm gonna wait for the afternoon trade. Or this. No, thank you, V. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, for being here. David's, V, you guys are always here. Thank you. Okay, so we have Q breaking the VWAP and SMH is at the VWAP. Let's see if it's gonna break it. It's gonna react to there. It's really slow price action. Yeah, you know when the price action is bad, when you have like candlesticks like this one, that it looks so crazy bullish, and the next one is just red, pulling back here. That looks a little bit better. Like, it looks like it wants to hold like this little support here. That looks a little bit better. Yeah, I do think that's maybe why we're having this price action. We're waiting for earnings, yes. Okay, I do like this hold here. It looks like a higher high, higher lows maybe, to keep going higher. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out just with one contract. Let's see if it's gonna work out. Very small position size. So basically, I'm looking for this. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna looks like it wants to break out here. Okay. So far, it looks pretty good. Now can we have these? Yeah, so far it looks like yes wants to break out. We have kind of retesting morning highs here, NQ. Let's see if we can have a little push a little bit higher. I'm out. I like these. Nice trade. Beautiful. You hit my PT. Beautiful trade there. So now I'm gonna wait to see if we're really gonna break out here. Can we do it? Okay. Now I want to see a strong candle here breaking this resistance on NQ. and we want to see ES really using this level as support. Yeah. Sí, hablo español, soy venezolana. What a slow ass price action today. So boring. Come on, market, do something. So based on the 30-minute time frame, so far we have not much. Both first two 30-minute candles are pretty much the same. Different color, but same thing. So we gotta wait and see if we're gonna have a clear breakout here or we're gonna change trend. So far, it kinda looks like a reaction, but based on the slow price action to play a reaction, I think I need a lower high, lower low, kinda. If I don't have that, yeah, that would be my confirmation for a possible reaction play. I think I had a very good exit on my trade. Playing it safe in this market, it's the way to go. ES can hold here. This white line, I like it for more upside. So far, NQ looks toppy. It's a little bit difficult here because you have ES kinda trying a hold, and we have NQ rejecting. And with slow price action, I think we need a little bit more patience for our trades today. Okay. Okay. Yeah, very tricky, like. Okay, that's no bueno for ES. Let's see how these ES candles gonna close. I'm gonna go long there on ES. Stop loss gonna be these lows here. Ooh. Yeah, I got stop out there. Lower highs and lower lows now on both ES and NQ. Is this gonna be like yesterday? Like, remember how yesterday we had a fake out to the upside, and then we lost a key level, and then the rest of the day was just down. It was the top of the day. It kind of looks like that, yes. It kind of looks like it's the top of the day, but I don't know. The price action is so slow. Look at that. I'm gonna try ES longs again. This is my last trade of this morning. Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing also like a small position because I can see how I need to give it like a bigger stop, like a wide stop loss to my trades today. And even doing that, I'm still getting stop out left and right. So that's why I'm taking a little bit more trades, but the size is way smaller. But yeah, very bad PA today. Like if ES goes rejects here and goes back down here under this white line, I'm done. Like I'm done with today's price action. Okay. You want to see a clear breakout here on NQ. Like, we need a strong candle closing above that level. You know, you want it. Yeah, horrible, horrible price actions. Okay. Now I like it. I like this now. Still a very bad price action. Come on, close strong. Yeah, I think we need NQ above 240. BTS reacting. SMH is holding above the VWAP. Can we have these, please? Okay. I'm kind of waiting just to be green today or be flat, not having a red day, and then just be done with this price action today. Oh my god. I just don't like trading anything under 3 minutes. I like the 3 minutes and the 5. Just because, like, the smaller the time frame, the less important the levels are. That's why I don't like using smaller time frames. Man, this is so bad. So bad. Come on, just do something. Trading funded accounts. And we keep holding, but market is not doing anything. Come on. Push. The psychological part. Which one? Which one? There's so many. There's a lot that's over trading, but not being patient. At the end of the day, how overcome that is like losing my money when I didn't have money. It was so painful that it was like, for me, it's like I'm gonna die if I keep working when I'm so basically it was like all or nothing for me. I needed, in my mind, I needed to make this work. So losing my money, it was so painful that I needed to stop doing dumb shit when I was trading. So it's all about how bad you want it. If you really want it, you stop doing whatever you're doing that you're blowing up your accounts. I don't know how long. Still, sometimes I do dumb shit. Like trading this, for me, is doing dumb shit, to be honest. Okay. I'm done for this morning, guys. This is not a price action that I want to trade, to be honest. Very small red day for me. $150 down for today. That's nothing. So, but I'm not bad. I don't think I took bad trades. But like I always said, like if the price action is bad, my goal should be not trading. That's it. Not let me try this one or let me try that one. My goal should be let's just not trade. Why? Because you're not gonna have an A+ setup trade, and you're literally risking your money. So You want to risk your money into something that it most likely goes against you? No. So, yeah, I'm done. I'm done for today. I already have 3 red trades. I'm done. Even though, like, I'm pretty happy. I don't think my trades were bad. I think I had I managed my trades very good. I had good entries, good stop losses. I wasn't trading with big size, so I don't think I managed this price action bad, but the best thing to do is just call it a day. And that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, exactly. Setups were there, but they failed. But at the end of the day, that's an excuse that we say to ourselves so we don't feel bad about stupid shit that we did, because the call out was to not trade. At least after seeing these BS, right? Like seeing these price action. Like I could say, okay, I don't think the short that I took on NQ was bad. Obviously, the second trade, the bounce trade, it was pretty good. I think that was a very nice trade. And then the third trade, that one is the one that I should have waited a little bit more, especially because we don't have NQ breaking this resistance, right? So maybe I could say, okay, it was a good entry here, right? But then seeing this price action, like I should have said, okay, that's it. Like, and NQ not breaking this resistance here, it was also something that is playing against my ES trade. So yeah, when the price is choppy, I should say, okay, I'm not gonna trade this. That's the right thing to do, not trading that. But the other thing is, like, because I do these streams, I kind of feel like I need to take trades, because otherwise it will be like very boring seeing me not taking trades like at all a lot of times. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna trade later, but if I trade later, it needs to be like a really nice setup. I need to see the price action changing. So if the price action is still bad, I'm not taking any more trades. And I don't trade in the afternoon here. So I think the only trade that I would like to take, it's a clear breakout here. What is the time? I mean, what time is the best to trade in the afternoon? There's no, like, trading, it has no time. Like, it's whenever the price action is good, that's when you trade. Like, I cannot tell you, well, at 2 p.m. is the best time, because I don't know what's gonna happen today at 2 p.m. I have no idea what's gonna happen. But I can tell you, like, these price action, it's not good to trade at any time of the day. I can definitely tell you that these choppy price action is definitely telling me that if I want to take a trade, I need to give it like a huge stop loss, which I don't know if I want to do that. Well, I could do that if I'm trading with only like 1 micro. Like, it's easy to give it like a big time frame, big stop loss here, like this. I like this hold here on NQ, but is it really gonna hold? I don't know. So I have so far the first trade was red, the second one was beautiful green, the third one was red also. Yeah, look at this breakout on NQ. So why ES stopped me out here? For nothing. You fucker. What the heck? Do we have Trump speaking or something like that? Should I wait for this? Should I? Should I? Yeah, Anxie is testing me. Yeah. Are we gonna have now the setup that I've been waiting the entire morning? Yeah, first it was spy. No, first it was a Q, then it was spy. And now we have the Q again. If it just goes, it's done for me. We need a pullback here, and if we get the pullback, the stop loss needs to be down here. But if it just goes here, I'm done. I need to pee. I'll be back. Oh, we had Trump speaking. So we know why we have this big candle here. You're going to short during lunch? Good luck! So I can see two possible trades here. One is obviously this pullback here. The other one is if we keep holding here, we have a little bit more upside before we get a significant like pullback. Thank you. Yes, both looking now pretty bullish. Yes, you fucker. can we hold here? Okay. Damn. I was pretty close on buying here. I'm done, guys. If we get a pullback here, I'm gonna try that last one. If not, maybe a clear hole here, but I'm done waiting. I got bored. And I'm hungry. So let's pray that we get a clean pullback here so we can play this upside continuation. But if not, that's it for me. So I'm done with the stream. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Remember to like the video. And today is the last day for the $45 on the 50K accounts on Apex. So that's it for me. Thank you guys. Thank you for everything. See you mañana. Bye.
Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirk, you got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade.